Hey you guys, this is Kiki on Selfcareapparel and I'm back with another video. I got to go have a meeting with my son's school and I'll be right back. Hi y'all. This might go crazy because I gotta do day 1 along with day 2 in Vlogmas because hair company and y'all have more shedding than any other hair. To y'all about where I've been and all that. I've been here, but not on YouTube. Okay? Y'all may could say I took a break. And that is the case. I did. But I took a huge one. And I took a long one. I came back and then left again. I won't feeling it. I'm going to be straight honest with y'all 100% of the times. I won't feeling it. Okay? I was more likely come back to YouTube to look for support in my community. But I'm here to let y'all know I looked at it in the wrong way and it showed, and so I had to take a break. Okay. I'm not gonna say I'm fully back because I don't want to give y'all wrong things, but I'm back for Vlogmas because I did have a successful Vlogmas last year, so I'm doing Vlogmas this year. And this time we're just gonna keep it real raw and straight. Okay? Real raw and straight. Alright? I'm taking y'all on journeys, testimonies, trials, tribulations. Okay? Filming all of me. Alright? Hey, I just got done with my son's school for his autism. Okay? I'm an autism mom. So I just got done with his school. Okay? So I do those. I have meetings. Okay? I'm a gamer at night and I stream at night. So when I'm done with work, like my business work, done posting, promoting content, whatever. When I'm done with that, I game. I treat myself out to gaming. And I feel like that's taking up most of my time for like my business, but it's really not. It's just my way of having fun. And I gotta realize that. Like you're having fun. You're not having you're not nothing's not taking your time. If it is, it's more likely me that's taking my business time. Like I'm not giving my business enough time and credits and all that. So yeah. But in day 2, we're going to make some things. So okay. I'm gonna see if this now fix it. So what we're making today is our lotion for my upcoming winter's collection. So I'm going to make the lotion. This is why I put down protection. So I was thinking, since I don't, okay. I was thinking, since we only have limited products, because I'm now realizing I could promote, but it's not inching for customers to at the cart. They're more likely just visiting and then dipping out. And hey, I can't make a fuss about it. I do appreciate them coming to the website, coming to look. Maybe if I could switch around and get more pictures to be appealing, then I will do so. I'm trying to figure stuff out like that. But as far, I'm just not going to make a lot with the new collection. So, I have silly me. I realized I didn't have everything for my product. Like this, my spatula. It's also Hello Kitty. And my measuring cup, which is also Hello Kitty. Loving it. I'm gonna get the two main sources I need. Now, I have a coconut oil that's already open. Coconut oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E oil is what I need. So I'm gonna get into it. We have 1 teaspoon of vitamin E going in. Time for me to shop. Because once I get this collection out, I'm shopping for new collections. Or probably not even new collections, just new things overall. All right. We're going to lock and load in here. We're going to let that do its magic. All right, we're back. Now I'm about to pipe. I done messed this up, y'all, already. I done messed it up already. Oops, seems like I'm messing it up more. I done sat here and tried to make it a toasty marshmallow and actually made it too toasty. So this is my mistake here. Taking it to the halfway. Okay. I'm hoping it just stay just like this. Each fill up. I'm hoping to fill up. I just did one. There's two. 4 left. All right, y'all. My kids are home. That's not news. Had to do a whole new batch because it didn't make enough for 6. My ratios was kind of off. It made enough for 3. Or like if I was doing 5, it would have been enough. But since I'm doing 6 because I need testers to show, this is what we're doing. So in this, I'm not going to color it. So for the ones that's already colored, y'all buy it as if. It's not getting colored. This batch is not getting colored. I didn't want it to look like a whole different color. At this point, I'm just adding as much nutrients to our base because this is what y'all gonna use to start y'all day, whether going to work or going to run errands and you need to put on lotion. So yeah, we're getting this ready. All right. Little thing can yell. It can yell. They came home from school. So they're outside of my room, just playing. Why is everything on my bed? All right, y'all. I'll be back. All right, I'm back, and this is the finishing of the lotion. This is the finishing of the lotion. So, ooh, it's heavy. So, body butter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sugar scrub. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lotion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, okay? 5. 5 of each. 5 of each. I'm not doing quantities over 5 because right now I need to know what it's going to sell. And if you like to see more videos like making stuff or us having a chit chat, please comment below. You guys, I do not bite. I love to talk. Please comment below, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.